warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. An honor to meet you here. My name is Tiffani Pangestu. I'm from RKI Class Grade 2. In this opportunity, I would like to present my PowerPoint about jobs in the hospital. There are various kinds of professions that work in hospital. As we know, there are nurse, general practitioners, pharmacists, midwife, physiotherapists, nutritionists, dentists, surgeons, pediatricians, psychiatric, and etc. The first is nurse. A nurse is someone who has the knowledge, skills, and authority to provide nursing care to other people based on the knowledge and tips they have within the limits of their authority. Nurses are required to have adequate skills and attitude to become professional nurses. The second is general practitioners. General practitioners, or GP, treat all common medical conditions and refer patients to hospitals and other medical services for urgent and specialist treatment. General practitioners focus on your overall health, physical and mental. They serve an important role in a much wider healthcare. One of their main goals is to keep you healthy and out of the hospital. The third is pharmacist. Pharmacist is a profession in the health sector whose role is to provide information related to medicines consumed. Pharmacists ensure the safety of using drugs before being consumed by patients. Pharmacists are also tasked with selecting medicines that can still be used as well as drugs that have expired. And the next is midwife. Midwives are professional health workers who have important roles and duties in maintaining the health of mother and children, from before pregnancy to after delivery, and can also help guide breastfeeding mothers and care for newborns up to 6 weeks after birth. Midwife can practice independently or in a hospital. The fifth is physiotherapists. Physiotherapists are tasked with diagnosing, requiring, and treating and maintaining health disorders that affect movement and the ability to function optimally in the body caused by injury, disease, the aging process, or post-surgical patients, in order to help speed up the recovery process and help patients to be able to return to their movement and activities with self. Sixth is nutritionist. A nutritionist is a person who advises others on what to eat in order to lead a healthy lifestyle or achieve a specific health-related goals, such as losing weight or reducing blood pressure. A dietitian is an expert in dietetics, a branch of knowledge concerned with diet and its effect on health. In contrast, nutritionists deal with general nutrition's aims and behavior. While every dietitian can be called nutritionist, not every nutritionist is a dietitian. And the next is dentists. Dentists are trained professionals who help care for the teeth and mouth. Particularly, saying a dentist can help you to maintain a good level of dental health, which may have a direct impact on your overall well-being. A dentist also diagnoses and treats problems of the gum, teeth, and mouth. Dentists use modern technology and equipment like X-ray machines, lasers, drill, brushes, scalpels, and other medical tools when performing dental procedures. They also wear protective equipment like gloves, masks, and safety glasses to prevent the spread of germs or bacteria. The next is surgeon. The surgeon is responsible for the preoperative diagnosis of the patients, for performing the operations, and for providing the patients with post-operative surgical care and treatment. Surgeons is also looked upon as the leader of the surgical team. During the course of an operation, the surgeon must make important decisions about the patient's health, safety, and welfare. Furthermore, the surgeons must work to ensure cooperation among the other members of the surgical team. The next is pediatricians. Pediatricians are doctors who have specialized expertise in treating children from infancy to early adulthood or ages 0 until 18 years. The field of medicine that focuses on treating children physically, psychologically, and socially. Pediatricians are in charge of prevention, care, diagnosis, and treatment of various medical conditions and problems that commonly affect the children. And the last one is psychiatrist. A psychiatrist is a medical specialist who studies mental health and behavior, which focuses on the diagnosis, treatment, and prevention of emotional, psychiatric, and behavioral disorders. Psychiatrists have the ability to diagnose and treat mental disorders in patients. In summary, one profession with another in the hospital cannot work alone, but must work together to create mutual comfort and patient recovery. Thank you for listening. I think that's all from me. Thank you for your attention. See you. Bye bye. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.